All right, guys, this is Trader Sabron here. You're welcome to our new week. This is week 36, and we are about to knock it down on this pair. So, first of all, I would like to bring to your awareness that we are on GU right now, and price is already confirmed retracement. So, we're going to look into that and look into SP500, USD chef, and possibly Euro USD. Okay, the first thing is to understand the direction of the market. Now, I understand that some of us were struggling to make some money with this movement that happened in this area last week because we had multiple challenges in trying to decide whether the market want to drop or not. The first thing is to understand when the market created that support before it started rally. If you notice, this was the support that the market created. So the first thing is to understand that support area. And if you're going to be looking for retracement, you just mark out that low support. And whenever price break below that low, you should be actually looking to sell because that when would be the retracement. But anything above this level, which obviously you'll be looking for buy. But the next thing I did was to actually mark this area, expecting price to break that area and confirm that we are actually heading up. But it did break the area, but the next thing is the next day the market closed below it. So in other words, it created a consolidation. So now we have this break below, which was on Thursday. So when this happened, I knew that we're going to be selling all the way. That means from there, from Friday, the market has begun to retrace. So that is exactly what we're looking at right now. So we have the next candle that happened was on Friday, and we have this drop that happened on Friday massively. So you should have expected that, because if you follow this pattern of price action, you should have known that obviously it's going to be a sell market, not a buy. So for those of you trying to buy the market on Friday, that wasn't right. It was a sell confirmed from on Thursday night. From on Thursday, we can see a confirmation that the market wants to go down on this candle, which gave us that. Now the question will be, where are we heading? When and where is this retracement going? So the first thing is to understand that there are two areas you need to focus on here, which is this area here, price action. Okay, we can look at that and expect price action around that area. That's number one. Now, if price come there might be some kind of rejection or kind of playback, and it breaks through. Then the next area that we should be anticipating price action before any other movement will be this area. Okay, looking at this area right here. So as I'm doing it on my chart, I will encourage you to do it on yours so you understand, because this is price action. And then we expect price to come here. Now here is a secondary order block. So everything that happened between this area and this area would be free ride. That means from here to here would be free ride. From here to here would be free ride. So that means this is the only places that the market will be intending to retrace to. And then we will see reactions to them. So first of all, to confirm these areas, we need to put our fib. So we have to put our fib from here to this level to confirm the areas. As you can see, confirmation is very clean. We have, first of all, 38 area, which is retracement confirmed. So price must retrace to 38 of the fib to confirm proper retracement. And if it does not reject or is passed through, maybe reject and break below it, then we should be heading to 61 or 65. And this is the price area here that we should be heading to, that we should have a price action. So that means what we're anticipating, that when price finally come down here, we should be anticipating a retracement to the upside. All right. And now you can look for proper buy from there and anticipate price to go higher and higher. But for now, we are on retracement, so we have to look for sell all the way down here. The question is, how do you get yourself into this kind of trade to know that, okay, you're going to sell and it's going to go down to that level and you keep selling until? It's very simple. you go to the lower time frame, whatever entry time frame you're using, or 1 hour, whatever entry time frame you're using. Check the areas that you mark on the daily. All right, mark those areas and then look for price action. For instance, you can see this price is creating lower low on the lower time frame, so you follow the setup of the lower low, wait for price like this. I can even put another fib inside this area here, and I'm looking for retracement up to that high level. That means looking for price to come up to this area, and I can equally look for another sell. You see, until it hits my area, I have opportunity to look for sell, and I'll wait for price action. If anything happen around here, there's a break or retest, whatever it is, I see price put it, and I will still trade it, and I'll put another freebie and I'll target the next level. But ensure that you mark out those levels on your time frame to understand what you should be expecting, which area you should be trading to, and how long you should be leaving your trade, when you should get out. All of those things must be, you must see them on your chart. You must be able to see them. Very important. So this is how you're going to trade this pair. GBP USD is one of my favorite pair. Obviously, it's my favorite pair. So I'm looking to sell this pair this week. From there, that's it, and I put my stop loss there. This is my setup, getting ready to unleash. Now it may not come up there, but I believe that price is already retracing, and I'm waiting for price to come up there, and any price action within my point of interest, I'm going to be selling that pair. That's just a setup for you, but because I already done my daily analysis and I'm looking for what I should see based on market structure. Okay, now let's look to SP500. Now on SP500, let's look at the daily. And first of all, we'll remove the drawing so that we can see what's going on. Yeah, SP500 is still struggling to break this high. So the first thing is, we are bullish on SP500. Do not make the mistake to sell it until we have a confirmation. So here we have price creating this level. So we want price to break that high. We want price to break. So price need to close above that high. So we need to see again that price close above this high to give us a confirmation that we are bullish to buy. So the question is, where should we go next? No, this is the previous higher high that the market has created. So if it fails to break that high, then we have a lower high. So there should be a retracement. So how would you now confirm that retracement? Do not trade this pair until price break this low. So this is a consolidation phase for you. So you want the price to break below that. When it breaks that low, you should be anticipating the next area of price action, which is this key level here. So that will be where the price will retrace to. So you can sell. You can sell if price break this low. You can actually sell. You just wait for a break and retest, and then you sell to this level. So that's what you want to do, and then sell to that level. Wait for price to pull back up. If you put your fib here again, just the way I did GU, from here to here, if you put your fib here, you got to get it from here to here. What is that? You see that? Price tap into 60, give it 50 into price action, telling us that there could be a confirmation of multiple interest price at that area that will make price to start buying from there. Or worst case scenario, they will tap into this area and then rally up. So as far as I'm concerned, there's no trade setup ready for SP500 except we see a break to the upside. So at the moment, I will not do further analysis on this until we see a confirmation that the market has broken and moved up to the upside. So we'll be able to take that. But for now, this is what I can see. So mark your chart this way and expect price to come either to that direction and then be able to trade it, because you don't want to make the mistake of trying to be as smart as the market. Just wait for it to do its thing, which is very important. You wait for the market to do its thing. Wait for the market to do its thing. You got to wait for the market to do its thing. No matter what you trade, how you trade, just wait for the market to do its thing. This is very important. Okay, let's look at USD chef. Now this is USD chef. Quickly, I will go to the daily, which we are, and obviously the market is selling, is a sell market. As you can see, we have lower low, lower high created in the market. This is the previous low. Now we have retracement going on. So again, retracement going on. This is the daily. So question is, must you wait for price to retrace all the way up? No. You have to look for where price action are. If the price is going to continue retracing, you need it to break above this high. That's number one. If price is going to continue selling, then you will have to mark this area. You see this area here, this price area here. You want to mark that area and then let price sell. But if it breaks above this area, then you should be expecting price to go up. In other words, retracement has begun. So the first thing I'll do now is to mark this area, which will be my area of interest, FIB, and then worst case scenario, price rally, and it comes to this area and then drop. Okay, so that's what we're looking at. But if you break above this high, we know the retracement continues. So we can decide to sell it on the lower time frame. Okay, sell it on the lower time frame, because remember 38 is the confirmed retracement area. It means that proper retracement is 38 FIB, percent FIB. Okay, so you need to know that when price break above that, then it's extended retracement. So you need to see that price will not react there. So possibly do not sell this market. Do not try to buy this market. If you are a beginner's trader, do not trade to buy this market. Do not trade any retracement. Wait for price to get to area of interest. Put a certain alert there or something, and wait for price. Keep watching it. Maybe a matter of 2 or 3 days, price will get there. From Thursday, Friday, you should be able to look for opportunity to sell USD chef. It's a beautiful pair to look at. So let's look at Euro USD again. Just as GU is behaving, Euro USD is responding the same. As you can see, just to mark out the area of interest. So necessary sale began when price broke this level on Thursday. As you can see, price broke this level on Thursday. So we can see that it was obviously a clear break. As you can see, is a clear break right there. So price broke that level, and then on Thursday broke, and it dropped again Friday. So again, just like GU moved was. So now the next area we're looking for price action is here. Obviously, you could mark this upside, because if he rejects at this level, we could be looking for a push up. But if it comes all the way here based on this area of liquidity, and then we should be expecting price to react at this level. So the best thing is to watch. Question: can you sell this market? Like I said, if you're a beginner's trader, do not try to sell a retracement or buy a retracement. If any price is trending, wait for the price to continue to trend and trade in that direction. But if you know what you're doing and you understand how we trade any market. We can trade retracement, we can trade, but obviously I want my student not to trade consolidation market, because consolidation market is not a favorable market to trade. Okay, just to be sure. But every other thing that has to do with trend, once the market is trending, there's a way to trade every day. You just look at the previous day and look at the market behavior and keep trading in that direction. This is exactly what I'm looking at. If it breaks this 38, certainly we're looking at price coming to 50 or price dropping to 60, give or take, because there are funny price action there. As you can see, this area, this is the major key area that we should be really looking at. This area, let me move this here. Yeah, this is the strong area that price should be looking at coming, worst case scenario. Okay, so this price here, mark this area out on your chart. Is very important, because you're going to be trading and looking into that area to trade. So you can trade this lower time on the lower time frame. Look at price action. Remember, it's retracement, so you will be looking for lower high, lower lows on the lower time frames, depending on what time frame you use on your entries and setup. So you use them, look for price action in that direction, and just target few pips. Remember, it's retracement. You need to target few pips and get out quickly. So that's exactly what you're going to do on this particular pair. If I go to the 15 minutes time frame, just a minute, let me remove the section so you can see. If I'm on a 15 minutes time frame, I'll look at lower. You see, price is giving me lower high, lower lows. That's what I want to see. I want to see lower high, lower lows. So I need price to do this now. Maybe market open, break this level, and then created another high. Okay. Now this is not a structure. This is the whole structure. So this is a continuation. So it might drop and then come back into this level to take out liquidity, and then I'll look for sell right there, and I'll target this level. Now what that means is that price could come and take out liquidity here. This is a Eurusd, this liquidity level, and also this all of these are structure. So if the market drop, this will become my structure. I can literally put my fib here from there to that level where the market drops to, and I will expect price to come. You see that? That's price action, and I will expect price to come up there. I'm just thinking loud. It could be that price will come there. So I'll be waiting for price to drop, pull back up. In that pull back up, I'm not going to buy because the market is not buying yet on the higher time frame. So I will be looking for short. I will short from here, put my stop loss right there, and I'll target this level, and I'll make 1 to 2. That's it. That's how I will trade every blessed day until we get to the place which is the higher time frame confirmation of price retracement may be, which is 61 on the higher time frame. This area, strong key area here. Until we get there, I will just keep selling. So this is how you trade this pairs. All right, guys, that's all I have to share with you today. I believe you have learned something. Watch this video again and again to understand what I've said so far. There's so much nuggets I've given you on this particular video. When I do my weekly analysis, I always show you how I trade. There's no gimmick, there's no phase out. Everything is on the face value, face forward. Everything is real. So you can go forward to it, practice, use it, look at the chart and see that it always go in that direction most of the times. In fact, most of my analysis, 80%, 90% of the time, they goes in the direction every week. Go and watch my previous video. It's always like that. So thank you so much for watching. I believe you guys enjoyed this section. Listen, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and share this video. For those who are new to trading, you know where to find me. The link is in the description below. Hit the link in the description below, and you'll be able to find most of my informations that you will need to trade. Anything you want, get in touch with me on Telegram. You'll be able to see me there. If you want to trade, take my course. My course is on the link below. Listen, the course is going on now for $99. That is less than $100. You can go £100. You can go on there and learn how to trade for yourself just like that with just a little fee. So I'm not charging you for a trade, just nothing. No, that's all I do. I just give my course away for just that price, and you will learn everything. Listen, I'm very detailed in my trading and in my training. If you go through my training, you get a lot of benefit that is worth than £5,000, that or worth that $5,000. It depends, but the reality is you will get some values, and give it a try. Give it a try, guys. All right, thank you so much. Cheers. I'll see you next week.